G'day everybody, it's Matthew, and today I have got the MeLe, I'm not quite sure how it's pronounced, but M-E-L-E Mini PC. So it's a fanless computer with an N100 Celeron processor in it. And as you can see from the box, it is pretty small. Like, this is not a big box at all. So according to the specs on the side of the box, it has the Intel Celeron N100 CPU, which is the 12th generation Alder Lake range. It has 16 gig of RAM. On the box, it doesn't say what speed it is, but according to the product specs, it is LPDDR4. 4266 megahertz RAM, and then it has 512 gig of built-in storage, which is split unfortunately between two drives rather than being a single drive. According to the specs, 256 gig is an eMMC drive and 256 gig is an SSD drive, which is meant to be an M2 2280 PCIe SSD, which means it should be upgradable. It is meant to have internally two storage expansion options, one M2 2280 slot and one micro SD card slot. It comes with Windows 11 Pro, awesome. It just has the standard integrated Intel UHD graphics. For network connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC, so it's not the latest Wi-Fi, and it has gigabit Ethernet. It has one USB 2 port, two USB 3 ports, and one Type-C USB port, which according to the product specs is actually a fully functioning USB-C port that supports HDMI as well as power delivery, and it's meant to support a 4K display as well as data transfer over that Type-C port. And as you can see just below here on the video output, it says the USB Type-C supports 4K at 60 Hz, and it also has two HDMI 2 ports which also support 4K at 60 Hz. So that's actually 3 displays it's capable of running. It also has a 3.5mm audio combo jack. So in total dimensions, this little device is meant to only be about 13.2 by 8.1 by 1.8 centimeters, which is absolutely tiny, which is about 5.2 by 3.2 by 0.7 inches. So let's stop talking about it and get this one out of the box and we'll have a closer look at it. So opening up the top of the box, right in the top, we have a removable card, a thank you card, presumably for their gold award that they've won. So underneath that one, we then have our quick start guide, which has the whole product family from the range of mini PCs that MeLe makes. I've actually got this PCG02. That's part of the reason I decided to try this one. This one is the Quieter series. So the PCG02 is actually the smallest one they make, and I found that one really excellent for use when you don't need a high power device. So our quick start guide really just has how to connect power, how to connect a screen, network, and that sort of thing. Pretty straightforward, really. Then coming in the box, we have got the actual MeLe Mini PC, so that's it there. I've got the PCG02 here for comparison. PCG02 is a lot smaller still, like it's about 2/3 of the width and slightly thinner as well. So it's a lot bigger than the PCG02, but really it still is a tiny little PC. It has a warning on the top here, which is pretty important. The fanless mini PC dissipates heat into the air through high thermal conductive engineering plastic cover. The surface of the product may get warm when running CPU intensive programs. However, it's designed with patented thermal dissipation system to prevent itself from overheating while it's in use. Exercise caution when handling it after pulling juice. Now, I have noticed the PCG02 does get very hot, so I expect this one will too. So the bottom of this one does feel like it's an aluminium base, and it's got these rubberized feet down both sides. And the top has that plastic feel to it, which is meant to be that high thermal conductive plastic cover. We've got a power button on the front on the one side, as well as the MeLe logo. Coming over this end, we've got our 3 USB ports, our 2 USB 3s and a single USB 2 port. On the back is where most of the connectivity is. We've got here our USB-C port, which has power delivery and supports HDMI as well. Our headphone jack. Our micro SD port kind of feels like it's been shoved up in the top there, but it is there. Our 2 HDMI ports, a little reset button, USB-C power input, so this draws power over USB-C as well, and then our gigabit Ethernet adapter is on this end. And over this side we have our Kensington compatible lock. So that's it. It's obviously pretty lightweight as well, weighing in at only 500 grams. Let's have a look at what else is in the box here. Underneath our padded section, we've got an included VESA mounting bracket. So that means we can mount it on the back of a monitor, get it out of the way. Down here, we've also got screws for that bracket, for mounting it onto the back of the mini PC. Then of course, we've got our power connector, which is just a universal adapter with adapter for whatever country you're purchasing in, and USB-C on the other end. So according to the adapter, this is outputting 24 watts to the mini PC. That means it really is a pretty low power device. Now I'm assuming we would undo the screws on all the corners on the back of this one to open it up to access the SSD M2 slot. That quick start guide does have instructions on how to use the VESA mount bracket, how to attach it to the device, and of course how to put it on the back of the screen. And we do have some instructions down here on how to install an M2 SSD. So we would take off the 4 screws on the bottom, take off the M2 SSD screw, and install the M2 SSD. Put the silicone rubber on top of the SSD for heat dissipation, and of course put it all back together. So that's it. So there you go. That is the MeLe Mini PC Quieter 4C N100 model with 16 gig of RAM and 512 gig of storage. And everything that comes in the box with it. The USB-C power adapter, the VESA mounting bracket, and the quick start guide. So I hope you found this video helpful. For information and pricing on these ones, make sure you check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me. Bye for now.